Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor with Tropic Realty here in Citrus County, Florida. Today, I'm in Crystal River in the 55 plus community of Meadowcrest. This is a great neighborhood. There's shopping really nearby. Publix is just 5 minutes down the road. Walmart is just 10 minutes down the road, along with Target, Aldi, a brand new Sprouts. There's medical offices nearby as well. I'm touring this home that just recently came on the market. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home here in Meadowcrest. It has 2,700 living square footage. This neighborhood features a community pool, a clubhouse, some gazebos, lighted tennis courts, some really nice walking trails, a play area or park area. Just a really nice community, very conveniently located to tons of amenities here in Crystal River. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. This property is listed with Karen Baxley, also with Tropic Realty. So if you would like the address and the price, look down in the description below. All that information will be there for you, and come take a tour with me. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour. Again, if you have any questions or would like to tour this property in person, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.